everybody. It's Matt Houtby from Vacations for Canadians, and welcome to the first episode of Spirits of the Sea. Now, as I said before, what we're going to do in each one of these episodes is we're going to speak about one particular cruise line per episode, where we're going to feature the promotion that they have going on. We will talk about one pick of the week on a cruise deal that we have in our exclusive group space, and then we'll wrap things up with a delicious cocktail from one of the bar menus off of that particular cruise line. Now, as you all know, I just got off the Celebrity Silhouette, where we had 114 guests on our hosted cruise, and I'm still relishing in the amazing time that we had on that particular sailing. So what better place for us to start than Celebrity Cruises? So we are talking about the promotions that Celebrity has going on. And if you watched our webinar that we just had the other day, then you already know that we have 75% off of the second guest on non-refundable deposits. Or if you want to book into a refundable fare, then we still can offer you 50% off the second guest. Now, if you're going into our exclusive group space, not to worry. We still have, up until the end of the month, any booking that we get you in a balcony or above, we will offer you $100 in onboard credit. Get into the suites, we'll double that, and we will give you $200 in onboard credit if you book into the retreat on Celebrity Cruises. As well, we can offer you up to $280 in savings on your cruise fare in our dedicated group space, depending on the day of the week that you book. So be sure to reach out to your Vacations for Canadians travel advisor to ask about those amazing promotional offers. So let's get to this week's pick of the week. So here we go. Matt's pick of the week is the Celebrity Silhouette, sailing January 24th to February 1st, 2026 in a V2 veranda category. That's an ocean view balcony. Perks included in this one are classic drink package, Wi-Fi, and gratuities. As I mentioned before, if you book by March 31st, we will include the $100 onboard credit offer. And if you book between now and Monday at midnight, the 25th of March, we will include the $280 cruise fare savings. Now that savings is already factored into this price of $5,159. So be sure to take advantage of this offer by the 25th. This is an 8-night sailing visiting the ABC Islands, Bonaire, Aruba, and Curacao, sailing round trip out of Fort Lauderdale, Florida. That's Matt's pick of the week on the Celebrity Silhouette. So for our cocktail of the week, we are going to feature one of the old throwbacks to Celebrity's Martini Bar, the Decadence Express Martini, my personal favorite. All right, it is equal parts of vodka, as well as Kahlua, Bailey's, and espresso. Now, I put my own little personal touch on it when I'm making it here at home. So I do have my Grey Goose vodka, I do have my Kahluas. However, instead of Bailey's, I have Wayne Gretzky's Whiskey Cream. And instead of espresso, I have espresso syrup that I purchased at Winners. Now, still absolutely delightful. As I said, equal parts of each one. So, we have our Grey Goose vodka. There we go. We have our Kahlua. Yummy. That gives it that real coffee flavoring. Fresh out of the fridge, our chilled Gretzky Whiskey Cream. Oh my gosh, that is just pure gold. And last but not least, taking a little bit of a shortcut and cheating ourselves by using espresso syrup instead of a cold brewed espresso. Still gives it that coffee flavoring, pairs up well with the Kahlua. That's it. Shake that all up. We got our martini glass ready to go here, and just like that, we have ourselves a nice, cold, refreshing espresso martini, but known on Celebrity Cruises as the Decadence Express Martini. Now, they would normally garnish this with some coffee beans, but I'm impatient and I just want to get to enjoying a cocktail. So cheers to everybody, and we will see you again next week on Spirits of the Seas. Cheers. Oh yeah, that's good. Bye, everybody.